Boltac Stirrer Commander. This app provides control of your stirrer from an Android phone or tablet, or from an Apple iPad or iPhone. This allows greater flexibility and access to more features. Install the Boltac Stirrer Commander app onto your tablet or phone, if this has not already been done. Launch the app and then scan to locate available devices and select the appropriate device. The first time you do this, you may be asked to allow some permissions for location and data storage. These permissions are required, or the app cannot use Bluetooth or save any settings. Demo button. The demonstration option allows you to explore the features of the app without connecting to a Boltac stirrer. This is also useful for editing programs for the automatic feature without requiring a stirrer to be connected. Connecting to a stirrer. Scan to locate available devices and select the appropriate device. Once connected, there will be 2 or 3 options, depending on stirrer model. These options are manual, automatic, and individual. Use the tabs at the top to choose the operating mode you desire. Manual control. Manual allows selection of a speed by either touching or sliding your finger on the blue bar, or by using the green arrow buttons. If you wish to set a few preset speeds to allow ease of selection of a few predefined speeds, then this can be achieved by selecting a speed and using the green plus button. This adds a red dot on the speed bar at that point. You can select multiple of these preset points. To move between the presets, use either of the blue arrow buttons. To remove a preset, select that preset and use the red cross button. Light control. Use the yellow light button to turn the light on or off, if available on your model. Use the green up and down buttons next to the light button to set the light brightness, if available on your model. Disconnecting from a stirrer. Pressing the yellow back arrow button will allow you to disconnect from the stirrer you are currently connected to. Automatic control. Automatic allows you to use multi-step program sequences to perform more complex tasks. You can select, run, edit, or delete programs. Programs can have up to 30 steps, and you can have up to 30 programs, each with their own descriptive name. All settings and programs are stored on your tablet or phone, not the stirrer. If there are no programs on your tablet or phone, then a "No Programs" message will be displayed, otherwise the bar at the top of the screen will show you the name of the currently selected program. If you have more than one program, then use the green left and right buttons at the top to select which program you wish to use. To edit an existing program, use the green folder button. To delete the currently selected program, use the red cross button. To create a new program, use the green plus button. You should now press the program name box at the top of the screen and type a name for your program. This has created an empty program that has no program steps. Pressing the green plus button will add a new program step. Each program step can be one of the 3 following options: RPM and time, pause, or alert. RPM and time. This is identified by the clock symbol. This specifies the motor RPM and the time to run for. The RPM can be from 0 to 500 RPM. Please note, if your model of stirrer does not support speeds as high as 500 RPM, then it will run at the highest speed it can provide. The time can be from 10 seconds to 12 hours. Pause. This is identified by the pause button symbol. This sounds an audible alert and stops the motors. The program will remain halted until you resume it by using the blue play button, or by stopping it by using the blue stop button. Alert. This is identified by the speaker symbol. This sounds an audible alert and then continues to the next program step. To add a program step at the current program position, use the green plus button. To delete a program step at the current program position, use the red cross button. Use the green left and right buttons at the top of the screen to select which program step you wish to edit. When you have finished adding program steps, use the yellow back arrow button to exit the program editor. You will be asked if you want to save the changes. To run, pause, and stop a program, use the blue run, pause, and stop buttons. Light control. Use the yellow light button to turn the light on or off, if available on your model. Use the green up and down buttons next to the light button to set the light brightness, if available on your model. Temperature compensation. The red or green thermometer button allows to enable or disable temperature compensation. If your jar water is at a temperature that is not 20 degrees Celsius, then you can adjust to correct for jar water temperatures between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. This allows for G-value correction under most circumstances. Note: the light on and off button is unavailable while temperature compensation is on. Disconnecting from a stirrer. Pressing the yellow back arrow button will allow you to disconnect from the stirrer you are currently connected to. Individual control. Individual allows you to run each jar at separate independent speeds. For every jar there is a separate RPM display. The RPM values will be shown in red while stopped, and green while running. Use the green up and down buttons to set the target RPM value for each jar. The small blue play or stop buttons allow you to start and stop each individual jar. Global control. The blue play or stop button at the bottom of the screen allows you to start and stop all jars together while using their individual RPM target values. Reset settings. The red cross button allows you to reset all jar RPM setting values to 0 RPM. Light control. Use the yellow light button to turn the light on or off, if available on your model. Use the green up and down buttons next to the light button to set the light brightness, if available on your model. Disconnecting from a stirrer. Pressing the yellow back arrow button will allow you to disconnect from the stirrer you are currently connected to.